Hello, today I'm in Ford F150. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable AC and maximum AC. In the beginning, let's take a look in the center of the car. Right here we've got the climate control panel. Firstly, press AC button to enable or disable this function. Of course, make sure that the airflow power is set at least for the 1. And to enable max AC, twist the temperature knob to the left side and again slightly press it. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.